Welcome to 116 Royal Pavilion Drive. This adorable 3-bedroom, 2 full bath patio home with a 1-car garage, fenced backyard, and laminate vinyl plank flooring, as well as granite countertops inside. It's located in the Pavilion at Brighton neighborhood in Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to I-77 and I-20, Northeast area shopping, and also a quick commute to downtown Columbia as well. So we're out front. You see there's a nice sized driveway here, and you have a nice 1-car garage. The unit is located right next to the mailbox area. This is a newer community that has community mailboxes instead of an individual one in front of your own home. But you are close to that. You have a covered front entry as you approach the front door as well. So we'll take a look inside. You'll notice that laminate vinyl plank or luxury vinyl plank flooring. Once you step into the living room, that continues throughout the kitchen and dining area as well. So the living room here has a vaulted ceiling. It's open to the kitchen. You have a ceiling fan in here also. Right off of the entry as well, you do have a guest bedroom, which is a nice sized room. It has a ceiling fan. The closet is in the corner here. And then it does connect to a full bathroom. The flooring continues into there. You have granite countertops here in the bathroom, single vanity, and then a shower and tub. And then it flows back out into a small hallway that goes back out to the living room. You have some shelving tucked behind the door. And then once you come back out into this little hall, you have your laundry room, the washer and dryer. I do believe those are included at the time of this video. Please check with the office and confirm before you would submit an application. And then we're back out into the sort of open floor plan living area. So you can see there's a countertop bar here at the edge of the kitchen, and then a nice open kitchen. You have granite countertops and a tile backsplash. Stainless steel appliances as well with dark wood cabinets. So there's a side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top electric range, and a built-in microwave above the range, as well as a dishwasher. And you do have recessed lighting also in here throughout this area, as well as a pantry on this side, which is a nice size, sort of goes on 2 sides of that wall, but the flooring continues into there as well. And this door accesses the garage. It's a 1-car garage. As we mentioned, you do have a couple of windows in here, which is nice for some natural light. And it's a pretty long length as well. There is a vehicle parked in here right now, sort of a smaller mid-sized SUV, just to give you an idea of scale. But you may be able to fit something larger in there. And then you have access to the backyard off of this dining area, as you can see back there for the sliding door. So pretty decent sized fenced backyard. You have a patio here as well. And then again, the dining area itself is sort of open to the kitchen, but it has a lower ceiling height, which kind of gives it some separation. You have a second bedroom on this side off of that dining area. Again, with a ceiling fan. I believe there's one in all 3 rooms. And this one also has a walk-in closet, which is a very nice size. Any of these rooms could also, of course, be used as an office or playroom or for another purpose as well. And then the master bedroom, last but not least. And it's quite a bit larger than the other 2. And you have a nice size walk-in closet in here as well. It looks like there also is an attic access. Not sure if there's storage up there or not. And then a full bathroom as well with granite countertops. And again, those floors. And a walk-in shower. You do have, looks like a corner bench seat in the back of that. And a nice sized mirror there as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 116 Royal Pavilion Drive. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.